Using Push to play your external synthesizers is great. You can play notes and chords on the 64 pads, be expressive with the touch strip, stay in key with the scales mode, make use of your synths modulation capabilities with Aftertouch, step sequence melodies and chords, and even extend the feature set of your synth with Live's devices. Now let's have a look at how to connect your synths with Push. You may have a synthesizer that sends and receives MIDI via USB port, so you'll need to plug that into an active USB port on your computer. Alternatively, if your hardware doesn't have this, you can connect your synthesizer via an external sound card or external MIDI interface. Make sure that your equipment's audio outputs are connected to the inputs of your audio interface. Go to Preferences and set up your synthesizer's MIDI ports. Make sure that you enable Track and Remote on your synth's MIDI output. The external instrument is a live device that allows you to route MIDI to your synthesizer and receive its audio via your audio interface. In the MIDI to chooser, select the MIDI ports of the instrument you wish to send the MIDI data to. In the Audio From chooser, select the correct channel of the audio interface your synthesizer is connected to. You can actually see where the audio is coming from if you play some notes on your synthesizer while looking at the drop-down menu. So once you have set this up, you can save and rename this preset for later use to your user library by simply clicking on the save icon. I'm going to call this Minitor. I can now browse this directly from Push